Hey guys, what's going on today? So in today's video, I want to share with you guys the #1 skill that you will need to start making money online in 2025. Now, whether you are a student or you're a stay-at-home mom or you're someone that is looking for a side hustle that you can start doing in 2025 that can enable you to be able to start earning money online, this video right here is going to show you the exact thing you need to do or the exact skill you need to learn that can enable you to be able to do that. And if you follow my advice and recommendations today and take action on them, you will literally change your life forever. Now, the #1 skill that you actually need to go ahead and master today is to go ahead and master how to use AI to deliver digital services. Any digital services that you can think of right now is being replaced by AI, be it video editing, video creation, content writing, graphic design, website design, and any other digital services that you can think about right now. AI is currently replacing them, and if you master how you can be able to use AI to deliver any of these services right there, you will not be among those who are afraid of losing their jobs to AI. Instead, you are now among those who are now using AI to make money. Now, if you would like to follow my advice right now, I will go ahead and break down how you can be able to go ahead and master this AI skill and how you can be able to find clients that you can deliver these services to, so that you can be able to create a sustainable income for yourself in 2025. The first thing you need to do right now is to pick a specific digital services that you would like to master how to use AI to deliver that services. Now, this is very, very important so that you can be able to appear to your potential clients or customers as an expert in that particular field who knows how to use AI to deliver that services. So, for example, if you want to go ahead and start learning how to start using AI to do video editing for your client or AI to create graphic design or website design, instead of going ahead to learn everything all together, I would suggest as a total beginner right now to go ahead and just learn one of these skills and master how to use AI to deliver those skills for your client, so that when I show you how to reach out to your client, you can be able to appear as an expert. Now, this is common sense because let's say that you are having issue with your teeth. Now, instead of you to like go to a hospital and go and meet a doctor that specializes both in treating people for teeth, eyes, and any of these other medical conditions out there, you will prefer to go to meet a dentist because you know that a dentist specializes in helping people with their teeth than any other part of their body. Now, this is the same idea when I ask you guys to go ahead and pick just one services that you can be able to use AI to deliver for your clients, so that your clients will trust you more than someone that is trying to deliver every other stuff for them. Now, when you have mastered that particular first services that you're delivering with AI, you can go ahead and add up other services that you can also do with AI. Because basically AI is actually what is doing the whole job for you, and these things are very, very easy to do. All you just need to do is just to know how to use those AI to get them to provide the results that your clients will be looking for. Now, to learn how to start using AI to start delivering digital services, there are different platforms you can go ahead and use. You can go ahead and start making searches on YouTube, how to use AI to build websites and all those kind of searches. But the problem right here is that the informations right here on YouTube are not one, they are not well detailed, and also they are not going to be guiding you step-by-step process on teaching you what you actually need to learn for you to be able to master these skills. And that's why I would recommend to you guys right now that if you want to go ahead and master this skill, to go ahead and use the Skillshare platform. So over here on Skillshare, if you make a search for AI right now, you are going to see different detailed tutorials that you are going to be getting for free that will teach you how to start using AI to deliver services. Okay, now what you need to do right now is just to determine the type of service that you want to go ahead and deliver, so that you can be able to learn from the courses out there to do that. For example, you can see this one that says AI video creation, a beginner's guide to realistic AI videos. Okay, so this one is going to teach you how to start generating videos using AI tools. Okay, now there are other courses that you can be able to see right here, but if you want to go more specific, let's say for example you want to use AI to learn how to offer marketing services to your clients. So I can do something like AI marketing right now, and I'll click on search. Now when I make that search, if you come down right here, now you can see different courses right here showing you how to use AI to offer marketing services. This one says AI marketing strategy, grow your business with AI. So if you actually learn this particular one right now, you can know how you can be able to help your clients to grow their business just by using AI. You can offer it as a service for them. This one says Mastering AI Marketing, ChatGPT for Creative Entrepreneurs. Now you can also see the new course that I also released right here. You can see Martin EO right here. AI Marketing Masterclass, deliver pro-level digital services and win clients with AI. Okay, now you can see tons and tons of other videos. You can even see this one that says AI local SEO and Google My Business AI SEO marketing course. In fact, if you're a beginner, I also recommend you to go ahead and watch this course so that you can learn how you can use AI to help your clients to rank their business in that top 3 Google Map pack. These are actually what clients are looking for. If you can help them to achieve that top ranking, they are going to be paying you monthly to help them to be able to maintain that position. Okay, this is a very important skill that you actually need to learn. Okay, if you want me to go deeper on it, you can also let me know in the comment section, and I'll also make a more dedicated video for this particular skill right here. Okay, now let me show you guys what is in this new course that I actually created, this AI Marketing Masterclass. All right, now if you come over right there, you can see that I actually talk about everything, because I want to show you guys how you can master different AI tools to deliver different digital services for your clients. So you can see right here where I talked about AI for content writing, AI for graphic design, I talked about AI for website creation, and also how you can be able to find clients using AI, and so on and so forth. So I will also recommend you guys to go ahead and watch this particular course that I created right now to learn how you can start using AI to deliver digital services to make money for yourself. Now you have to understand that Skillshare is actually a paid platform, so which means that you have to make a payment for you to be able to start using this platform. But right now you can be able to get a 1-month free trial to check out Skillshare. So go to the video description of this video, you will see a link that says click here to get 1-month free trial. Click on that link and go ahead and sign up on this particular website. If you're finding it difficult signing up on this website, I will also attach a video towards the end of this video to see the step-by-step process you can follow to sign up here and start taking this course right here, or any of these other AI courses that we have right here. Okay, any courses that you want to learn or any skill you want to learn, go ahead right here and search it so that you can master that skill and start using it to deliver services for your clients. Guys, listen, you do not want to miss this AI revolution that is happening right now. All you need to do right now is just to pick one digital services, dive into Skillshare platform and find out how you can be able to use AI to be able to deliver that digital services that you have picked for yourself. This is the only way to go in 2025 and beyond. AI is changing everything. It's changing how we work, it's changing how we live and how we do everything. So master how you can be able to use AI to start delivering services to your clients so that you are not going to be left out. And if you don't know how to start, like I said earlier, go ahead and watch that AI Marketing Masterclass that I created for you guys that will show you how to use AI to deliver some digital services, and also show you how you can be able to get clients to offer that services that you are delivering using AI. So guys, make sure you go ahead right now and watch this video. I will show you how to sign up on the Skillshare platform and go ahead and take those courses to be able to change your life in 2025. So here is how to sign up on Skillshare and get a 1-month free trial. So what you need to do is to go to the video description of this video and you will see a link that says the first 1,000 people to use the link will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. Go ahead and click on that link. Now once you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this page where it says Martin EO has given you 1 free month of Skillshare. Get unlimited access to thousands of inspiring classes and so many other stuff right here. So what you need to do is to go ahead and sign up to continue. So I like to continue with Google, okay? So go ahead and click on continue with Google. And to go ahead right here and bring out your email address or your Gmail address you can use to continue, okay? So all you need to do is to go ahead right here and choose an account for yourself. So you can go ahead right here and select an account right here. Now, once you land on this page, it's going to ask you to select a payment method. Now, if you remember before, I said that Skillshare is a paid platform, but because you are using the link in this video description, you are getting a 1-month free trial to go ahead and check out the platform and try the course I recommended to you for 1 full month without paying on the platform. But you need to put in your credit card details for you to be able to gain access to the platform, okay? Now note that as it is stated right here that Skillshare is going to email you 7 days before the end of your trial so that you could be able to cancel from the platform if you do not want to continue learning from that platform, okay? That's why it's stated right here that today's total is $0.00. So you are not paying anything to be able to gain access to this Skillshare platform today for 30 days, okay? And it's also important to note that the cards that Skillshare accept right here is a MasterCard or a Visa card, okay? So go ahead and put in your MasterCard's number and all the details right here. So once you have inputted your credit card details right here, come right here and select where you heard about them, which is going to be YouTube, and go ahead and click on start your free month, okay? Now, if you use the card that I asked you guys to use, you will successfully get logged in into the Skillshare platform, okay? Now, instead of you going right here to put in your card number or your Nigerian bank cards, which is not going to work, all you simply have to do is just to go ahead and click on select PayPal. Now, once you select PayPal, go ahead and click on start your free month, and this will now require you to go ahead and sign in to your Nigerian PayPal account. And remember, as a Nigerian, you can create a PayPal account which you can use to make payment, but you cannot use it to receive payment. PayPal allow Nigerians to do that, okay? Now all you have to do is just go ahead and sign in into that your PayPal account. And once you sign in into that your PayPal account, if you do not have one, go ahead and just go to paypal.com and create a new account for yourself, and it's going to get you approved. Link your card to that PayPal account. If you link your Nigerian bank card to the PayPal account and you go ahead and sign in, this thing will synchronize automatically and it will allow you to get into the Skillshare platform immediately without any problem. So this is exactly how you will be able to solve the issue of getting into the Skillshare platform if Skillshare is not accepting or declining your card